Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this peacock or teal green smoky eyes, and I think it's a very generic kind of makeup look. It's something that you can wear to an upcoming wedding function. It's appropriate for an office party as well, and also if you're going out for an event. So if you guys are interested and want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So let's do with the eyes first. I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this would act as my eye makeup base. This is a very good concealer to hide all the pigmentation and veins around the eye area. It covers everything perfectly. And to set the concealer, I'm using this pressed powder by LA Girl, and I'm also using a tape today for all the precision for the eye makeup. So I'm going to use this matte brown shade from my NYX Perfect Filter palette, and this is going to act as my transition shade, and I'm going to slightly warm up this shade a little bit, and I'm using a fluffy brush to do so. So I'm going to use the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal, trying to use this kajal as close to my lash line, and I'm just taking it slight below my crease area. I don't want this kajal to go above my crease, so just halfway till my crease, and using a flat shader brush I'm going to smudge this kajal. Now the reason I'm not using a smudge brush here, because I don't want to spread my kajal up till my crease. I only want it till here. After smudging the kajal, I'm going to move to this green eyeshadow from my Estee Lauder palette, and using a different flat shader brush, I'm going to place the green eyeshadow just right above where I placed my kajal, and slowly and steadily I'm going to slightly smudge my green eyeshadow up till my crease. And next I'm going to use a slightly shimmery light green eyeshadow and place it right above my dark green eyeshadow using the other side of the same brush. And using a clean fluffy brush, I'm softly blending the edges so that they don't look harsh. And now I'm warming up my crease using the same matte brown eyeshadow. It's very important to warm up your crease when we are working with bolder eyeshadows like that. And I'm going to place the green eyeshadow once again, and if you guys can notice clearly, I'm carving out my lid as well using the tip of the brush. And blending the corners of the eyeshadow, and I'm slowly and steadily mixing the eyeshadow with the brown one as well, so that it starts to look like this. And next I'm patting away the green shimmer eyeshadow above my dark green eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use a very thin stroke of this green eyeliner by Nykaa. Let's remove the tape now, and you guys would see how precise the entire eyeshadow looks now. And let's clean up if there's any fallout as well. So I'm going to move my concealer now, and I'm going to use it underneath my eyes. I'll also be cleaning up the edges of my eyeshadow so that it looks neat and precise. And if you guys are wondering, I'm already done with my base. I have used a primer and a foundation, and don't worry, I've listed all the products that I'm using in this video in the description box below, so you can check out there. I'm going to set the concealer underneath my eyes using the pressed powder by LA Girl, and I'm also going to set my face using the same powder. I'm going to use this shimmery shade underneath my brow bone. And using a smudge brush, I'm going to take some of the Nykaa Black Kajal and using it on my lash line as well as on my waterline. I did not place the kajal directly on my waterline or lash line because the tip of the kajal is quite thick, and that's why it's convenient to use a small smudge brush like that. I'm going to use the bottle green eyeshadow once again, and using a smudge brush, I'm going to smudge my kajal with the green eyeshadow. You guys will see how the smudging process will make the entire eyes look so seamless. I'm using the lightest glittery eyeshadow on my inner corners to make them pop, and I wore these Ardell lashes off camera. Now I'm swiping any fallout underneath my eyes using the same pressed powder by LA Girl. For lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies mascara, and I'm blending my natural lashes with the artificial ones and using the same on my lower lashes as well. So for the blush, I'm using this very natural tone blush on my cheeks today. I don't want much color on my cheeks. Just want to, let the eyes do all the talking. So for highlight, I'm going to use this shade from my Makeup Revolution highlight palette and using it on the bridge of my nose, chin, cupid's bow and on the cheekbones. For lips, I'm using the shade Mysterious Mocha from Maybelline Creamy Matte and applying it all over my lips. I thought that my lips were a little too nude for this look, so I'll be going ahead with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and just dotting it a little bit all over my lips. And now I think I'm happy with my lip color. So that is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I've been meaning to do a green smoky eye since so long. And one of you guys asked me what would go with a green outfit. I think this is the perfect makeup look that you can carry with a green outfit. It has got those green smoky eyes and with nude lips complementing all over. So yeah, let me know in the comment section how you guys liked this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can also follow me on all my social media channels. The links are given in the description box below, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.